Hi everybody. Sorry, I've already tackled it already, but I'm swapping this to your tire, the rear tire, and I got the new one right here. This is a Michelin, but it's 160 70 17. I believe this is a 140. Yes, 140 70 17. I've already got it out. So yes, the difference is the new tire that I'm gonna put on it. It's slightly wider, as you can see. Slightly wider. So I'm gonna run that in the back. And I do need to get the front still. But yeah, let me get this swept over real quick and I'll get back to it. Okay, so I finished the job, put the tire back on. Everything looks good. Turns out pretty good. I rode it just for a quick second and it feels great. I didn't put traction, so that's good and I'm pleased about it. Alright, thank you for watching. Like the video, comment if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you watching the video, and I'm out.